love, and welcome back to another video. I am in the comments again. Oh, I am Pauline for those who don't know me. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here for a while, thank you for rocking with me and supporting me. I truly appreciate it. So I'm in the comments. Oh, before I get going, I'm having a summer lock establishment and maintenance intensive where we help people who are already doing locks, but you want to increase your speed, you want to produce more quality work. This intensive is for you. The information will be in the description. Okay, so moving on, getting to the comments. So I am in the comments. Someone's asking me a question. Oh, something about the Davises. Okay, this is DJ Davis asking a question. So this question is under video do's and don'ts for fine low density locks. This is one of my popular videos that so many people resonate with. So yeah, so let's get into it. She says, excellent advice. Love this video. Thank you, love. Please tell me, what should the retie time frame be for long mature locks that have low density but have coarse hair? Great question. Because I typically talk about fine hair and low density hair, right? But this one is low density but coarse hair. And so she wants to know what the retie time frame is. So I have more questions for you because I can't just answer it based on what you've given me because there's still some information missing. Do you have, I don't know if you have Sisterlocs, Microlocs. I don't know the size of your locks. In the video, I talked about a lot about the different sizes. So if you have low density and you have coarse hair, so that means your strands are thicker. But what size locks do you have? If it's 1/4 of an inch, I would retie make sure I stay within that 6 weeks. If it's 4 to 6 weeks, if it's 3/8 of an inch, I would still say stay within that 6 weeks. And if it's bigger, you can go a little bit longer. If it's bigger, that means you ain't got Sisterlocs and you might slightly be out of the Microloc range, right? So if it's like 7/8 or 1 inch parting size or whatever, then yours is more like traditional locks. And with clients like that, I still let them go like maybe 10, 12 weeks if you are no 1 inch, because you don't have a lot of locks. Your locks aren't that small. But if you do have small locks, 3/8 of an inch or smaller, I would definitely still say to stay within that 6 weeks. Because you have long locks, it's going to weigh down. So keep in mind, if it's long, all the weight is at the bottom. You have long locks, your hair been shedding. Did you put how long? Okay, you just said it's long and it's mature. And I see a little picture of you, and it looks like your locks past your waist length, past your waist. So that means you've been growing your locks maybe 10 years plus. And if you have not cut your hair, you have 10 years of shedded hair in your locks. And with 10 years of shedded hair on your locks, the weight of your locks is at the bottom. So that weight pulls. So I will be mindful. I know y'all be wanting inches. Y'all be wanting long hair, don't care, which is awesome. But keep in mind that with hair that long, with 10 years plus of shedded locks, and you have low density, your strands are saving you a little bit because you have coarse hair, so it's strong. Your strands are stronger. But still be mindful how long you let your hair get. If it starts feeling way too heavy when it's dry, because it's normal for your hair to feel a little bit heavy. All the long hair folks, all the thick hair folks, your hair is going to feel heavy when it's wet. That's normal because it's double time the weight with the water, right? But when it's dry, if it feels heavy, like it's pulling and you have a hard time holding your head up properly, if you feel that weight, it is time to, I'm trying to find a word that rhymes, but let me not waste y'all time. It is time to cut it. Cut it. Okay, it is time to cut it shorter because I would not sacrifice the base of my hair for length, okay? So that's one thing to be mindful of. But that's if it feels heavy. If it doesn't feel heavy, I would say just be mindful of where your hair is, because although you have coarse hair, it is still low density. That means fewer strands in the lock. Any little thing pop off. I remember someone, they had long hair. They were putting something in the oven. They closed the door, did not see that a lock was caught in the oven door, and she walked away and it boop, popped off. So there's different reasons why your hair can pop off. Some of y'all be throwing y'all purse on backpack, and y'all women nowadays, y'all be putting so much in y'all purses. Whew, I gave up the big purses after I stopped carrying diaper bags. I think diaper bags were like the the thing that remind me, ooh, I don't need no more big purses, because I was over it. But some of y'all be, and then it be resting on your locks, it pulls. Just be mindful of where your hair is and all that stuff, because you don't want to end up losing locks because something is weighing it down, you don't realize it, or it pulls, it snaps. Just be mindful. So yeah, if you have small locks, 3/8 of an inch parting size or smaller, I would still say, still stay in the 6-week retie time frame to help. If you have a 1/4 of an inch, oh baby, that is small. Stay within the 4 weeks. Stay within the 4 weeks, okay? If you have any smaller than that, definitely stay in the 4 weeks. Like 1/8 parting size, stay within the 4 weeks. Don't With 1/8 parting size, don't even think about extending beyond that, because that 1/8 parting size, yeah. Let me see if I could, yeah, this is trying to see if I could see your hair in the picture, like the size of it. I can't see because it's all together. But yeah, I hope I answered your question. Let me read it again to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. So you just asked about the retire time frame. Okay. All right. So I believe I've answered your question. I hope this was helpful. If you have low density hair, just know that you have fewer strands in the lock. So you have to really be cautious and protect your hair. Okay. And if in doubt, please ask your loctician, because they see, oh, I want to say this, the rate of growth. Be mindful of the rate of growth. Hair typically grows quicker in the summer, and then it slows down during the winter. So be mindful of that. Sometimes you might have to go in sooner during the summertime because of it growing fast. If you're one of those people who take vitamins and you really take care of your body, you eat right, you exercise, you do everything that you're supposed to do, and you're on it with your nutrients and everything else, your hair is going to flourish. So definitely. And if you shampooing often gives you healthy scalp, healthy hair, growth, blood flow, all of that. So if you're doing all the things you're supposed to do, yeah, your hair is going to grow at a quicker rate. So definitely, based on the rate of growth, you want to be mindful of that, because you might have to get it done sooner. So definitely talk to your loctician to see if anything needs to be done, because they see it. They get to talk to you and do those consultations to see what you're doing, what you're putting in your body, and all of that stuff will help them determine what's the best time frame for you. But if your hair doesn't grow fast, it's growing within the average rate, which is about 1/2 inch a month, yeah, then 6 weeks. If it grows any faster and you're like one of those people that is just flourishing, you might want to be within the 4 weeks. So that is a factor to consider as well. All right. Okay. That's all I got for you. If y'all have any questions, put them in a comment. I will get to them. I know it takes me a while to get to comments, but I have tons of videos out there and I get comments all the time, questions and stuff like that. And it's amazing. I love it. I just want you guys to be patient. And sometimes I'll comment with a video because I got a video that talks about it. And the video goes more into detail versus me texting and typing. All right, love you guys. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, okay? All right, see you guys next time. Bye.